Hello and namaste everyone. My name is Vishal Bhardwaj and I welcome you back to my YouTube channel Vishal Bhardwaj 10x. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss one very important thing, that why rich people are getting more rich and successful people are getting more successful. What is that one thing which plays an important role to create the difference between these two? Yes, so that is the beauty of utilizing your dead time. How you utilize your time so wisely that every minute's count. You see, why so many people stuck in their mediocre life? They do not understand that one thing, that is the importance of their time. We all have 24 hours in a day. Why your worth of 1 hour is so less in comparison of worth of 1 hour of rich people? It is only because they utilize their time very well. They utilize their dead time very well. Now, what is dead time? You are doing cooking, this is your dead time. Ironing your clothes, this is your dead time. You are walking, this is your dead time. You are driving, this is your dead time. I call this dead time because you are not growing in that particular time. You are just in you can say in a maintenance mode, right? So how you utilize your dead time? Have you ever heard that many successful people have an habit of keep listening audios or something, that they always putting their something headphones and all, and they keep listening those some inspirational audios, or watching some like motivational videos which gives them energy or pumping them, create some vibrations, like which is helping them to grow. Yes, that is what I want to convey this message today, that you keep listening. Like, what rich people are doing when they wake up, when they wake up, they do their rituals, they do their gratitudes exercises, and after that they put some inspirational audios and keep doing their daily routine activities, which is their dead time. And this is not by force but by choice. I also recommend you one speaker, which is Jim Rohn. You can go to his YouTube channel. This is 247 Motivation. Or any other speaker whom you admire. You can listen to him and imbibe the learning. You need to be in that growing zone. It will change your mindset. It will create an impact that will help you to grow in your journey. It will speed up your growth journey. What many people do, if they are walking, they just walking. If they are cooking, they just cooking. If they are driving, they just driving. No, you need to be in that zone. Keep listening something which inspires you every single day. I There is a founder of McD's. I read one stories of him that at the age of 53 or 54, when he thought about doing this business, he spent there 7 to 8 hours daily listening to that inspirational audio cassettes, and that inspire him to do more, and to come out from their comfort zone, and doing something inspirational, that many people look towards him for their idols, or for their gurus and all. You also need to do these things. This only single this habit will create an impact that many people don't understand. You can multiply money if you invest timely or wisely. You can multiply many others things. You can grow your health if you constantly work on it. But money, and health, wealth. You can do everything, but what about time? You cannot buy this, you cannot multiply this. It's free. That's why we don't pay a heed to utilize this wisely. You need to create an impact by utilizing your time wisely. This is your time. Everybody has 24 hours, as I earlier said. You decide how you want to spend your day. Everybody has their dead time. What you want to do in your dead time? Alright, this is all for today. I hope you like these videos. You are liking my content. And if you think that this video can help one of your friend or your family members or your relatives, please share this video. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, this is Vishal Bhardwaj signing off. Thank you very much.